Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the cyber defense using Python programming language. Okay, so let's explore this. This is the complete project folder and this is the graph. Okay, these are sample apps and the Selenium enabled extensions. These are the related files. This is the main file, like main code. Okay, so let's open it. Open the terminal, cmd, then write python space main.py. Then it will open the home page. The user interface developed using Tkinter library. Okay, this is the home page. These are 4 buttons and this is about sections. Like we develop cyber defense using Python and machine learning, JS and other technologies. That this tool aims to detect and prevent user from the visiting phishing URL. Okay, so let's close it. This is the contact us page. Let's close it. Okay, this is the exit button. Press no and press web surfing with filter. So it will open the your web page and it will detect the phishing websites. Okay, so we already added the extensions. Now writing youtube.com, so it will detect like phishing detected, no phishing detected. So in that website there is no phishing, so I'm just copying that particular error and just paste it. So no phishing detected, phishing detectives. Okay, copy you and paste here, enter. So no phishing detected. Copy another link and just paste here. So warning, phishing detected. Okay, this is a phishing related website. You can copy any URL and just paste here, so it will detect like that particular website content phishing or not, and just entering the app and it will show the malware app. Okay, the Chinese app. And okay, you can just give another input apk, and this is Amazon Prime Video safe app. Okay, with the SDK 29 and size 13.6 MB. You can give another input of app. Okay, this is the Canva and the safe app. This is about phishing, like is a crime, cyber crime. You can there is option with the talk with bot. You can ask your question here, like I'm just typing hello, the bot will reply hi there. You can change the font and the theme color. Okay, this is the font. You can change the theme like blue color, gray color, like that. Okay, you can change the color. Okay, let's give another what is phishing and question mark, and click on the send button. So it will reply, the phishing is the type of attack carried out in the order to steal information or money. So what is it important? Why is it important? You can ask any question, just click on thanks and bot will reply anytime. Bye. Okay, this is the complete project, and if in doubt you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. And if you're searching a type project, then you can contact us. I will put the contact link in description. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.